Welcome to a Scopus video tutorial on analyzing search results. In this example, you want to learn more about research on coffee production. You start with a search on coffee production using the asterisk to broaden your search results. Select Analyze Search Results at the top of your document list to categorize your results by year of publication, source, author, affiliation, country or territory, document type, subject area, and funding sponsor. You notice on the document's by year chart that research started in 1934, but increased steadily from the 1990s onwards. You can use the drop-down menus above the chart to modify the date range. Select Analyze to rerun the analysis. To get an idea of which journals are publishing the most on this topic, select the documents per year by source card. The 5 journals with the most results are shown on the top left, but you can choose up to 10 journals to compare. Next, select the Documents by Author card. You can find which researchers are most active in this area. This may help to identify potential mentors or reviewers in the future. Explore other cards to see the number of documents by institution. The top countries linked to research in this area, and that most of the research consists of journal articles. Next, you view the documents by funding sponsor. In the final Documents by Subject Area card, you discover a wide range of subject areas represented for coffee production. To explore social sciences, click on this section of the pie chart. This opens a new window. Analysis charts can be downloaded for use in other work. Select Export in the upper right above the chart and choose Export the chart to a zip file. The zip file contains a JPEG, PDF, PNG, and SVG version of the chart.